Na-Eme Mma. So God's hand does good. God's hand does good. His hands will always do good. Good to have you again today, and thanks for keeping up to the 10 minutes daily challenge to come learn and practice Igbo language gospel song with us as a family. So good job, good job, good job. So the song for today will be yes. Let's sing it and then we explain. Akaya, akaya, aka Jehova Na-Eme Mma, ọla ebube ya ka na-erughari n'ebe m nọ. Isi ike ndụ que na-adighi atata, akaya akaya, aka Jehova Na-Eme Mma. So for the explanation, aka is hand in Igbo. So ya means his. So merging the two together, akaya, his hands. Repeated 2 times. Akaya, akaya. His hands, his hands. Akaya, akaya. Aka Jehovah, God's hands. Told you that Jehovah can mean God in Igbo. So aka Jehovah Na-Eme Mma. Mma is good. Na-Eme is like doors. Na-Eme Mma. So God's hands does good. God's hand does good. His hands will always do good. So aka Jehova Na-Eme Mma. Olu ebube ya. Olu is work, but that's dialect, okay? Central Igbo we say oro, but the dialect we say olu, okay? So the songwriter used dialect olu. Ebube means glory. So his glorious works. And what are his glorious works? His glorious works, miracles, signs, wonders. So olu ebube means his glorious works. Olu ebube ya ka na-erughari n'ebe m nọ. Irughari means to hover around. To hover. It hovers around me. Na-erughari ebe m nọ. Like this is ebe, this is a place. So his glorious work hovers around and about me. Okay? Ọla ebube ya, his glorious works. Ka na-erughari n'ebe m nọ. That hovers around me, that surrounds me. Okay? Isi kendo, isi, iyi. Isi is head, iyi is river, okay? So isi in kendo, where the river of life springs from, that never dries. Itata means dry, but nke na-adighi atata, adighi atata does not dry. Tata is dry. Okay, but adighi atata does not dry. Some people can say adira atata is still the same thing. So isi kendo ka na-adighi atata, akaya akaya, aka Jehova Na-Eme Mma. That means God's hands, God's hands. God's hand will always do wonders. All right, practice time. Ready to practice. For us to practice, let's go slowly. Akaya, akaya. Like akaya, akaya 2 times, but like you blend it in. Akaya, akaya. aka Jehova na-eme mma, ọlụ ebube ya ke na-erughari n'ebe m nọ, erughari n'ebe m nọ. Isi ike ndụ nke na-adịghị atata, nke na-adịghị atata, aka ya aka Jehovah na-eme mma. Let's sing it together now. Aka ya aka Jehovah na-eme mma, ọlụ ebube ya ke na-erughari n'ebe m nọ. Isi ike ndụ ke na-adịghị atata, aka ya aka Jehovah na-eme mma. That's a good one. All right, so remember, you are in the comment section. There will always be the transcript of the song for you to practice. Practice, they say, makes what? Perfection. So if you are new, you're a visitor to the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that you will be the first to be notified whenever the next video comes live. Remember, you can give yourself 3 months visiting this channel. At the end of 3 months, you'll be so amazed at how much Igbo language songs you have learned. All right, so what's that next Igbo language gospel song that you've been wanting to know the meaning? Put it right now in the comment section. Hopefully we'll pick it up and explain it in our upcoming videos. So until next time, I am Jehova Na-Eme Mma. I'll see you in my next video. God, get